friends, welcome to my kids world. Today we will learn cursive letters N, M, X, Y, Z. These letters are same patterns. Okay. Start from the third line. Draw this stroke. Then draw the stroke, come down. Draw the stroke, come down. Go up, make a curve. Letter N. Then letter M. Draw the stroke. Draw the stroke, come down. Draw the stroke, come down. Make a curve. Draw the stroke, come down, make a curve, again make a curve like this. Letter M. Next letter Y. Draw the stroke, come down, draw the stroke, come down, make a curve, draw the stroke, make a curve, come down, touch the fourth line. Then come down, touch the fourth line, make a loop. Y, letter Y. Then X. Draw the stroke, then draw the stroke, make a curve. Draw the stroke, make a curve, go back, touch the second line, make a C curve. The letter X. Then letter Z. Draw the stroke, then draw the stroke, make a curve, draw the stroke, make a curve, again make a curve, touch the fourth line, then make a loop. Letter Z. Okay. Thank you.